earlier, I was just so into my mini book. And today, we're gonna show you guys how to make one of your own. Ours is about a dragon, if you can see, but you can have any story in it that you want. So first, we need a sheet of paper that has 8 rectangles in it, so 2 by 4, and we are going to fold it in half. So like this, and we're then going to fold these 2 rectangles in, like that. So, our paper is folded, and now there's a dotted line along the middle between these 2 flaps, and we're going to cut along the dotted line. So,
can I have scissors, please?
Yes, you can.
Oh, thank you.
Can I have scissors, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ben.
There we go.
Perfect. And now, we should have something like this. And we're gonna open up our book and fold along here. And then you have a mini book. And we are going to color ours now, but you can choose to have your students color it before, after. So let's color. Rachel,
Nice.
what color do you want?
Can I have pink, please? It's red.
Or you can even have your students
Yep.
draw their
They
own
can
story.
have their mini book.
Just gotta be careful with the order, okay? Because this would be upside down. So, let me just quickly, sorry teacher, let me just quickly show the order. This will be number 1, 2, upside down, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's standing right, 7 and 8. And boom. And voila. Your mini book.
Let's color.
Can I have orange, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Do, 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 do. Okay, 10 minutes later. And that's your colored book. Have fun, everyone. Bye.
Bye.